Have you ever felt judged, looked down on, or made fun of for something you can't control? Have you ever been hurt by people's words, even when you did nothing wrong? If you've ever felt that way, then this story is for you. Listen carefully. The lesson inside might change how you see yourself forever. One day, a father saw his 11-year-old son crying silently. He asked him, "What's up, son?" The young man replied, "My rich classmates mocked me. They called me the son of a gardener. They said my father lives only off the money he earns from watering and feeding plants." The father paused for a moment, then said, "Come with me, son. Let's plant some flowers. It might cheer you up." He took his hand and walked him into the garden, then took out some flower seeds and said, "Let's conduct an experiment. We'll plant 2 flowers separately. I'll take care of one, and you'll take care of the other. I'll water mine with clean lake water, but you'll water yours with dirty pond water. We'll see the results in the coming weeks." The son was delighted when he joined his father in planting the flowers. It took a few days for the flower seeds to finally germinate. They nurtured them and watched them grow. Later, the father took his son to the garden and said, "Look at the 2 flowers and tell me your observation." The boy answered, "My flower looks better and healthier than yours." "How is that possible when your water is cleaner?" The father smiled and then said, "That's because dirty water doesn't stop a plant from growing. Rather, it serves as organic fertilizer to help it flourish. You see, son, there are some people who discourage you in life, mock your dreams, and throw dirt at you. Always remember that there's nothing wrong with you. It's their ego they have to satisfy. So don't let people's harsh words affect you. Instead, let them encourage you to be a better person. And by doing so, you will be like the plant and flourish even amidst filth like negativity and harsh words. Let negativity be your fertilizer for growth.